In this video, I'll be your guide to show you how to effortlessly find the recently added contacts to your iPhone. Before we begin, please remember to like this video. And also, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Now, just imagine you're out socializing at a bar, a gathering, or a friend's place, and you've exchanged contacts with someone, but their name slips your mind. Not to worry, we'll get you sorted out in no time. So, first things first, let's address a limitation in the Contacts app. While it conveniently organizes your contacts alphabetically, it lacks the option to sort them by the date they were added. But never mind, we have a workaround using the Shortcuts app. Now, locate the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, simply head over to the App Store, download, and install it. Once you've got it, open the app and ensure you're on the Shortcuts tab at the bottom left corner. Then, tap on the plus icon situated at the top right. Next, we're going to add an action. Tap on Add Action and type Contacts in the search bar. Select Find Contacts from the options presented. Here comes the magic part. Tap on Sort By and choose Creation Date from the drop-down menu. This will arrange your contacts from newest to oldest, making it a breeze to spot the latest additions. But wait, let's not overwhelm ourselves with a long list. Tap on Limit and select your desired number. Say, get the most recent 5. Perfect. Now, hit the play button at the bottom right corner and voila! Watch as your iPhone swiftly sifts through and presents you with the freshest contacts. You'll notice small squares that allow you to toggle between different views. Explore them to find the exact contact you're looking for. From there, you can open the contact details, make adjustments, initiate a call, or shoot them an email, all with ease. And here's the cherry on top. You can save this shortcut for future use. That way, whenever you find yourself scratching your head over recent contacts, you can swiftly revisit this process. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com, to discover more helpful tutorials and resources.